What is a Twitter moment? Twitter moments for local SEO. If you run a local business, you've probably wondered how to use Twitter moments for search engine optimization. You can create these Twitter moments by clicking on the Moments tab on your profile. For example, a brand can use Twitter moments to highlight the best tweets from an event or promotion. Twitter moments is also useful for content curation. Creating a Twitter moment with these tweets can help your business achieve greater search engine optimization. So, it's easy to see why Twitter moments are a valuable resource for local businesses. One of the best uses for Twitter moments is for brands hosting events. The brand can create Twitter moments that bring together the most popular buzz about the event. The brand can use its own tweets, pictures of the event space, celebrities, and even the food on the menu. Then, when the event is over, they can post a Twitter moment on their website. A brand can use these moments to showcase the latest trends, product reviews, and events.